This video will show you how to remove the stock taillights on all 2014 through 2021 Toyota Tundras.
So now that we got our tailgate down, we're going to have two Torx bits, one here and one here. We're going to remove them. That'll give us access to pull our light out, disconnect it, and remove it. So now I'm going to take my T30 Torx and my 3/8 ratchet, get up in here, remove these two bolts. That's one, and one down here. That'll give us access to pull our light out here, like that. So now we got our tail light removed. I'm just gonna push in on our tabs, pop out our clips. Take that one off, and the bottom one. Now you're gonna wanna just repeat this uninstall procedure on the opposite side.
Thanks for watching, and remember, for all things Tundra, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.